Hey everyone, it's Anna, aka Aquarius Del Mar, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a chiton, now aka the Roman tunica, or tunic, I don't know. I'm learning this in Spain. I don't quite know if that's just Spanish or Greek. Anyways, on to the tutorial. Well, as I say, pretty sure I'm gonna go off on another tangent like any second now. Like I just did. Yeah. Alright. Greek clothing is made out of giant rectangles of fabric. I've done 3 other videos on this topic. On the chlamyde, the peplos, and the exomis, or exomis. And I'm going to be doing the chiton now. Now, message out to my teacher who assigned this project to us. I know I was only supposed to do 1. I was supposed to turn in 5 projects. But you're getting like 2. So this is my attempt to butter you up. Please don't fail me. On to the chiton. Now, like I said, Greek stuff is made out of big ol' rectangle of fabric, like I've said in all the other videos. Unlike all the other ones though, to make the chiton, you gotta sew one side of it. Oh, I'm lazy. I'm using safety pins. Yeah. So, supplies. Big ass rectangle of fabric. Greeks used wool, linen, or silk imported from China. I'm using the cheapest fabric they have in the fabric store. They used like brooches, or I think on the chiton they might have used buttons, which is like, ooh, fancy. I'm using safety pins, and then they'd have like a cord or something to belt it with, and I'm using a shoelace. Alright? You make do. You make do with what you have. Alright. So, once, I thought I heard a safety pin fall out. Whatever. What you do is you step into your giant tube, unlike all the other ones where you make yourself a taco. You make yourself a fabric taco. The stuffing in a fabric taco. You are the stuffing in a fabric burrito this time, man. It's revolutionary. Woo! I do what I can to entertain myself when I'm making these. Alright. Take your thing. Pin it to your chest. Get a pin. Pin. One shoulder. Whoa. Make sure I'm still centered. I just undid all of what I just did. Isn't that like story of my life? Scoot over there. You want the seam to be like directly on the side. Like, you don't want the seam to be in the middle or anything. Isn't this exciting, watching an 18-year-old adult woman? Adult woman at 18. Ha. 18-year-old wrap herself in fabric? This is the most exercise I've gotten all week. Alright, take your safety pin, or your button, if you're, like, actually being historically accurate, and, pin yourself a shoulder. Take another one. Another one. Another one. Alright. I'm pretty sure that's a dead meme. Maybe I should put a dead meme counter on this. No, that's too much editing. pin your other shoulder. Don't actually pin like the flesh on your shoulder. It's like really bad for you. No, duh, Aquarius, but yeah, don't do that, especially not on purpose. Seek out, I say. Don't hurt yourself, I say, as I hurt myself. Seek help, kids. Your mental health is important. Alright, now, got this. Now, if this was folded over, and, if this part was folded over and we were pinning, like, the fold, that'd be a peplos, but we're not. We're making a chiton. So now, you gotta get even more safety pins. What? And you pin again. Ooh. Fancy, am I right? You pin again to make another thing. Now, it's not going to show up very well on camera, which I've learned from experience. Because usually if it's pinned with a button, it'll stay like this. Because it's the safety pin. It's going to separate like this. Just imagine that they're like nice little holes that are like beautiful and not just that. Okay, pin. And you just go down the arm and you just pin it. Just pin it. Woo! Isn't this fun? Anyway, back to pinning. Like just go down the arm. It's not really, I could probably end this tutorial right now. Oh no, I do need to do the belting. I don't want to edit. I'll just do my best to keep you entertained while I'm doing this, because I don't want to edit this that much. But if you want to skip ahead to like the part where I start belting it, go ahead. If you just like figure, I know what to do. Just tying a fucking belt. It's not that hard. Just like click off. You know what to do, kids. Or with the language I'm using, I hope no kids are watching this. I don't think that's... Is that enough to, like, pin this? Yeah, well, you know what? Why not? We don't live life by being scared. That's exactly how you live life. You live life by being scared. But you overcome that fear to do amazing things. Or, to go outside. We do what we can. Do as much as you can, or as little as you can. Just do something. Yeah. Life advice with Aquarius Delamar. Come on, you little bitch. There we go. Oh, now I hear my aunt and my grandfather talking in the background about how I'm talking to myself. Ben, undo, safter clubs undo. Alrighty. Woo! Isn't this exciting? I've made that joke 3 times already. Yep. I was about to say even my jokes are reused, but I also made that joke already in another video. All the jokes I don't reuse are actually the good ones. But I forgot I made them because they're in the bloopers. I don't know if anybody would actually be interested in seeing the bloopers for this. I know my friends would, because they'd roast the hell out of me. I just thought of Ishikawa Goemon, that guy, because that was a guy in Japan I think he was a thief, and then he got caught, like a famous thief. He got caught and he got, like, boiled alive. Rip him. Almost done, guys! And you'll have your very own completely historically, parentheses, not accurate, Chiton. I almost said Peblos. Alright, pin this baby, and then I can belt it, and I'll be done. This is the end of the tutorial. And I'll be able to go eat lunch, and it'll be lovely. Yeah. Enjoy the simple things in life. Isn't that like a fucking... Isn't that like a slogan? I'm not sponsored by anyone. Don't sue me. Alright, anyways. We got this. And I'm gonna belt. Now we belt this. And now you look like a snazzy Greek lady. I don't know if dudes wore this. I don't think they did. This is mostly a lady thing. Woo! But you know what? This is a modern era. If you're a dude and you want to wear the hell out of this chiton, you do it. You do it, man. Good for you. Anyways, this is how to make a chiton. Now, Greek women wouldn't usually wear blue jeans and a long sleeve t-shirt under this, but as you can tell from the fact that the materials, like, here on Aquarius de la Mar, we care about historical accuracy, but only to a point. Only as long as it's convenient. Usually Greek women, is that Greek women or Roman women? I'm not going to say anything. Look it up yourself. I don't want to be wrong. Isn't that life? Anyways, Aquarius de la Mar, signing off.